Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Numogram tokens. Now Numogram is token based out of DeepIn and AI, which are one of the hottest narratives in this crypto bull run. And at the time of making this video, it's sitting around 63 million US dollar market cap with 100% of the tokens under circulation, which is a good thing. Now you can buy Numogram on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. So you can go ahead and buy Numogram on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can sign up on Mexc Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. And also this fee is applicable for trading. So it's the lowest possible among all the exchanges. So if you are heavily dealing into futures, I would suggest is using Mexc Global. Now, once you create an account on Mexc Global, you can either buy USDT directly on Mexc Global if your bank or country allows it. If not, then you can transfer it from other wallet or from some other centralized exchange. Then simply head to Mexc Global Spot, click on Spot and search for GNON to USDT pair. So this is Numogram token. Now head a bit down and there are two types of order. One is a market order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy at the current market price. Simply put in the amount of USDT and click on buy. Limit meaning, let's say if you feel that the price of this token would fall to 0.04, simply put in 0.04, put in the amount of USDT and click on buy. This order would be showing in the open orders over here, and as soon as the price of Numogram falls down to 0.04, your order would be executed and then you would be getting this token in your Mexc Global Spot account. Now let's say if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can also use a decentralized exchange. Simply head to jup.ag, go ahead and connect your Solana wallet. In this case, you will need to have Solana in your Solana wallet for swapping Sol to GNON. So simply go ahead and search for GNON over here. And as you can see, there might be many GNONs over here and most of these are scam coins. So in order to avoid this, what you can do is you can head back to CoinMarketCap, copy the token contract address and paste it over here. And this is the actual Numogram token. Now let's say if you want to go ahead and swap 0.2 Sol for GNON, it will calculate the best exchange rate. And as soon as you go ahead and click on swap, your order would be executed in 5 to 10 seconds and these tokens would be reflected in your Solana wallet. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy Numogram tokens, and this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.